What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Tacoma compilation here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. Let's not waste any time and jump right in. This black Tacoma is going with a TRD Pro style grille. The Lunar Rock Tacoma here is going with a BILSTEIN 6112 setup, 5160s, SBC, and our add-a-leaf system. This tech is going over his work and making sure everything's torqued down and marking it with a white paint pen. Our tech is carefully removing the factory grille here. He will then swap over the TSS sensor and install the garnish on the Pro grille before reinstalling it. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in Baldwin Park, California. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you're not local to us and would like to purchase products from us, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We also have links in our description below to all the lift kits and products being installed here. We help you take out the guesswork on what parts to order. We prepackage kits on our website at discounted rates and have options to pre-assemble and pre-adjust most kits so that they are ready to be installed when they arrive at your door. That way you can throw them on without needing heavy-duty spring compressors. Just make sure to purchase the correct option and we'll take care of the rest. Here's the TRD Pro grille installed with the TSS garnish. We're going to back this one out now for the customer. We've mounted up a set of TRD Pro SEMA wheels. These right here are a 17x7 plus 4 offset wheel in a matte black finish straight from Toyota. We wrapped it up in a 285/7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. This one's going right on to the Lunar Rock Tacoma that we did the BILSTEIN 6112 and 5160 setup on. Everything is now complete, so we're going to bring this one out for a quick test drive. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We publish videos on the channel multiple times a week showcasing most of the work that we do. We build about 40 to 60 trucks a week and try to capture all of the awesomeness for you guys. Next up is this second gen Tacoma that we installed some XL linkables on, some Baja ditch lights, and we're doing an onboard ARB air compressor setup on. These second gens don't have room under the hood like the third gens do, so we're fabbing up a mount behind the seat. We bundled these kits with the ARB pump up kit and ARB digital inflator as well. We have it tucked away nicely in the back seat and out of the way. A compressor is always the first thing that I install on all of my trucks. It becomes so useful for airing up after the trail runs. I even keep a tire repair kit on me at all times for the long road trips as well. Next up, we have another second generation Tacoma. This one's in for a 5100 package. We usually pair these up with the Old Man Emu front lift springs and SBC upper control arms. The rear gets the 5100 shocks with our add-a-leaf system. We're now going to stage the vehicle up on the rack carefully and remove all the wheels and tires. Then we're going to rip out the factory suspension components to upgrade to the new BILSTEIN package. Coming in for a closer look, you can see that we're installing the add-a-leaf system here with the BILSTEIN 5100 shocks. After assembling the front springs and shocks with the strut mount, we're going to throw this one onto the vehicle next. We already removed the factory TPMS sensors from the stock wheels. We swapped it over to the new Method MR305s in the machine finish that you see here. The owner of this white Tacoma decided to go with some Toyo Open Country AT3 tires in a 285/7017. The way we set up this Tacoma, it gets 2 3/4 inches of lift up front and about 1.5 inches in the back. And that's enough for us to clear the 285/7017 tires with the perfect wheel spec of 17/8.5 0 offset. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. this is the new stance of the second generation Tacoma here. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. All right, let's bring this one out for a quick test drive here. Next up, we have this Inferno colored Tacoma. This one's coming in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite package with billet upper control arms from Elevate Suspension. We're gonna match that orange on there with the Fox color. This one's staged up on the rack. We're gonna remove the wheels and tires now and pull out the factory suspension. And here are the Fox Orange Elevate billet upper control arms. Our tech is seen here cutting off the excess threading of the retainer bolt on the add-a-leaf system that we're installing. And here you can see that we're installing the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shock with DSC. Next, we have this Tacoma TRD Pro that's in for our shim and add-a-leaf system. Our lift setup allows you to retain the factory TRD Pro Fox suspension. This kit that we've installed allows you to clear some 285/75/16 tires on your factory Pro wheels. The owner of this Tacoma is just not ready to upsize yet. Here's another third generation Tacoma that our tech just performed a high clearance bumper cut on. And this is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about the setup, drop them in the comments or check out the description below for links on the products here so you can get more details on them. If you truly want to support us and rock some gear, check us out on the website for some 88 swag. We have t-shirts, hoodies, windbreakers, hats, beanies, all that stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Take care.